welcome. What are the first steps to becoming Wonder Woman? Let's get into that. Whether you love or hate the new Wonder Woman movie, you've got to admit, Gal Gadot looks incredible. You can tell she's put in the work to stay in shape for the role. But even Wonder Woman has to start somewhere, which is why I've taken her Wonder Woman workout designed by trainer Magnus Lindback, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, I'm probably not, and revamped the workout so that any mere mortal can perform it. And because it relies only on body weight, you can perform it from anywhere. The only thing you might need is a mat, maybe a kettlebell, but that's totally optional. Lindback explains that they weren't going for the most muscle mass possible. He says, "We wanted to build a strong foundation, focus on keeping Gal mobile and uninjured. It was more about making sure that Gal was as strong and as healthy as possible." Now, unless you've been training like Gadot for years, then the 5-day split that he designed for her might be a lot to take on. I've taken the best parts of her routine and condensed it down into a 3-day total body split that will get the heart rate up through circuits and keep you strong through body weight resistance training, also known as calisthenics, both of which aimed at the same goal of keeping you strong, mobile, and healthy. You're gonna start every workout with a 3 to 5 minute warm-up. This can be a short jog, jump rope, jumping in place, jumping jacks, arm circles, arm swings, etc. Feel free to combine 2 or 3 of these examples to make sure that we're warming up the whole body, because this total body workout will have 5 different circuits, each circuit targeting different muscle groups. The first circuit will consist of 3 lower body exercises, performed back to back for 45 seconds each. We'll do the circuit for 3 rounds total with 60 to 90 seconds rest in between each round. You're doing squat kicks, curtsy lunges, and lateral walks. The second circuit will consist of 3 upper body exercises, also performed back to back, but for 30 seconds each. Once again, 3 rounds with 60 to 90 seconds rest in between each round. Move into push-ups, prone press and pulls, and skull crushers. The third circuit will focus mostly on your core, with each exercise being performed for 30 seconds each per usual, 3 rounds with 60 to 90 seconds rest in between each round. You're gonna hit up some windmills, crossover mountain climbers, and hollow holds. The last 2 circuits are going to be shorter, but higher intensity burnout circuits requiring total body endurance. Each exercise will be done for 30 seconds, but you'll only be doing these circuits for 2 rounds each. Just make sure to go for speed and intensity here using maximum effort. Burnout number 1 will be inchworms, followed by squat jumps. Burnout number 2 will be skaters, followed by burpees. Now, if one of your goals is to drop body fat, then it's important to understand that just doing these exercises is not enough to outrun a poor diet. Anyone that tries to sell you on the idea that their workout alone is gonna get you that dream physique, well, they're lying to you. Gal Gadot and her trainer know this, which is why her diet consists of proteins like lamb, organic grass-fed beef, fish, and chicken, plus slow, complex carbs, healthy fats, and lots of veggies. And even though my modified routine is designed for just 3 days, I still want you moving for at least 5, which means you're going to include another 2 to 3 days of cardio for some extra calorie burn. This doesn't have to be an all-out run or even a jog. A brisk walk is highly underrated. Personally, I love my walks. They're great for muscle recovery and don't increase my appetite the same way high-intensity cardio does. Low-intensity cardio can burn just as many calories, but you want to be sure to shoot for about 30 to 60 minutes per session, which will equal to about 5 to 10,000 steps. Look, if you're just starting out, don't worry about doing everything perfectly. Just get going and do your best. If you need some other inspiration on diet and exercise, you can check out some of my other videos. Some of the info you'll use, some may not be for you specifically. Health and fitness isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of thing, but I'm always posting new content. As for this video, we're done here.